Hi there, my name is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and I am showing you my Patchwork Mystery CAL Afghan. As you can see, I have all my squares joined together, and I have a nice border going around. But what we're going to do today is I am going to show you my joining technique. And my joining technique is just double crochet connecting the squares. Okay? And then you can see it has a nice edge to it, so you get that textured look that goes along with the textures on some of the squares. As you can see, most of the squares have a nice texture to them, whether it be the puff stitch, the front post, back post, or the cable stitch, or as you can see, there's some stitches down in there, and then we have nice ridges on our Patchwork Mystery CAL, where we have 12, meet Sonia, where we have 12 squares crocheted together. And as you can see, this is my square here. It is called the Jacob's Ladder square. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet join. Okay, as you can see, I have my two squares here. I have my Jacob's Ladder square that I made specifically for the CAL and for the joining. So the joining that I did the double crochet in both squares, or to connect my squares. So I am going to show you how, and what I did is I slip stitched in the first single crochet in the corner, and we're going to chain 2 there, and we're having these flat so you can go right into the next square. So what I'm going to do there is I am going to pick it up, and I'm going to go into that first single crochet in the corner that goes down the side. Okay, so I'm going to double crochet in that single crochet. Okay, and there you can see I have my chain 2 and my double crochet. So next I'm going to double crochet in the second single crochet and then I'm going to double crochet in the back side of the next single crochet. Okay, and then go back to our first square, put a double crochet there, and then in the back side of our next square, put the double crochet there. And you're just going to do that all the way down both of these squares, and that's what I use to join my Patchwork Mystery CAL. And as you can see, you get a nice spacing here too, so your Afghan actually will come out a little bit bigger than these 12 by 12 squares. And I thought that was great too, because then you get a bigger throw, a bigger lap gan if you prefer. So And as you can see, you get that nice ridge here from doing the double crochets back and forth from one square to the other. Okay, I am going to go ahead and demonstrate a couple more. If you would subscribe to my YouTube channel while you're here, that would be great. I thank you for joining us during our CAL these last 12 weeks. It has been an experience. It has been a good experience for a new crochet designer, fiber artists, as we call ourselves. So any comments, questions, you can post those below the video. I'd appreciate a like or dislike. You can tell me what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. As you can see, I am a left-handed crocheter. All my videos are labeled that way, so you don't see very many left-handed crocheters, but we adapt to the right-handed patterns. So again, I'm going to demonstrate for you. We go into the single crochet of our first square and do a double crochet, and then we go to the back side of our next square and put a double crochet in there as well. I apologize if the video is a little awkward to see. I'm having some technical difficulties, so I'm trying to find the right place to do my videos. So thank you for joining me again. If you have any comments, you can put them below. You can also find me on Facebook under Joe's Crafty Hook page, and my website www.joescraftyhook.com, and you will see I have free patterns. I talk about scoliosis, which is a disease that I have in my spine, so you can read more about scoliosis there. Okay, there is that. So again, you see the nice ridge here we have that you see in the Afghan, and there's a nice spacing. As you can see, there's a gap here now, but it fills in with our double crochet stitches. Gives you a wider and longer blanket. And you're going to do this to all of your squares. You're going to connect them either 3 across and 4 down, or you're going to do 4 across and 3 down. So there is going to be a lot of our designers sharing with you how they joined their squares. So be sure to get back inside our Facebook group, Patchwork Mystery CAL, to find out how our other designers are joining their squares. Again, my name is Joey Lee Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook. I hope to see you soon, and happy crocheting.